Hey space fans, welcome to JPJ Discovery for a new video. Tonight I want to introduce you to one of the most dramatic stars in our sky, Antares, the red heart of Scorpius and a true supernova in waiting. Antares isn't just any star, it's a red supergiant about 700 times wider than our sun. Seriously, if you swapped the sun for Antares, its fiery edge would swallow up Mars and maybe even brush against the asteroid belt. But despite that monstrous size, it's surprisingly airy. Its density is less than 1/1,000,000th of the sun's, so it's basically a giant cosmic marshmallow. Now Antares burns cooler than our sun, about 6,500 degrees Fahrenheit compared to the sun's 10,000. That's why it glows with that deep, unmistakable red. The name Antares literally means rival of Mars, because ancient astronomers thought it looked just like the red planet. Sometimes Mars even swings close to Antares in the night sky, making it a real treat for stargazers. Look for Antares in the constellation Scorpius, shining as one of the top 20 brightest stars visible from Earth. It's not always the same though. Its brightness shifts between 0.88 and 1.16 magnitude, so it's a bit of a show-off. But Antares isn't alone. There's a faint companion star, Antares B, a small bluish-white spark that sometimes gets lost in Antares' powerful glow. Fun fact, it wasn't until 1819, when the moon blocked Antares, that astronomers even spotted this little neighbor. So, why all the fuss about Antares? Well, it's running out of fuel and fusing heavier and heavier elements. When it finally runs out, Antares will collapse in spectacular fashion, then explode as a supernova, outshining entire galaxies for a brief moment. That's going to be quite a show, though don't worry, it's 604 light-years away, so we're safe. Over the years, Antares has inspired a bunch of star names, rockets, and even lunar landers. In 2013, Orbital Sciences named their new rocket Antares, and it blasted off from Virginia, carrying the star's legacy into space. Astronomers love Antares, not just for its beauty, but as a way to study how these supergiants shed mass and eventually explode. With every new image, we see strange dust clouds swirling around it, randomly ejected, sometimes forming right before our eyes. So next time you look up and spot that red star in Scorpius, remember, you're seeing a cosmic giant at the very end of its life, a future supernova waiting to reshape the night sky. Thanks for tuning in and keep looking up!